Top 8 kidney snacks to eat daily for people with kidney disease. 1. Apples. High in fiber and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants and low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. 3. Carrots. Packed with fiber and vitamin A and low in potassium. 4. Cauliflower. High in vitamin C and fiber and low in potassium. 5. Garlic. Helps reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol. 6. Pineapple. Sweet fruit that is low in potassium. 7. Red bell peppers. Low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6.